Hello people, Kevin Thailand here. Oh, day after Boxing Day, 27th December. I need a chill out day. Got to have a chill out. So today we're back out on the Nirvana. We'll have a day out, chilling out and having a rest, going around the islands. It's a beautiful boat, and I've took my seasickness pills. So we'll have a day out, and you're coming with us. So it ain't really a resting day, is it? So we'll see you out there. We'll see you around out by the around the islands. See you soon. Right, we're on our way out now. Up the workers. Hello. Up the workers. Right up them.
All clear. What a great boat. What a great boat.
Yeah, beautiful, eh?
Never been on this kind of boat before.
Oh, right. Yeah, I'm used to it. I'm used to it. It's my second time. Your second time? Oh, no, I'm working hard.
Vi måste starta här, vet du.
Isn't it good to see a Norwegian do some work?
Yeah, it's not normal, is it?
No.
They retire from birth, don't they?
I could work on a pirate ship.
Right, you work on a pirate. Ah. Do you know why they call them pirates?
No.
Because they are.
Church of the Spaghetti Monster, you know?
Oui. Spaghetti monster, I know him. She works in size 6.
You mean it's 6 Nakula, eh?
Yeah.
Not me, nah.
Oldest sailing larkside work by the looks of it. And my feet are burning on these blanks. That's it. I've got Peter's shadow, that'll do. Oh, stop moving. Right, we'll see you out around the islands. We'll be having a little swim.
Time for what? Swim, yeah, good. I'm good. No problem.
We just arrived at Koh Larn.
We've all arrived at Koh Larn.
No, I've arrived. You ain't.
You was asleep.
I was asleep. I was asleep. Look, lazy bunch of gits.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Okay, now. Hello. Oh, all in the cabin. Well, after all that, we got as far as Koh Larn, and the boat developed electrical problems. So we are coming back in. We've had to come back to the marina. Looks like the day out's ended before it began. Well, it began. Got to Koh Larn. Couldn't even drop the anchor. The electrics have gone. We've had to come back on the engine. The rudder's not working, so the engine's to steer. So I'm sorry. Oh, and I lost my glasses. I was doing the water bit hanging over the side and my glasses fell off. So I don't even know if we're in focus here. So anyway, I will try and go out and find just something else to finish the vlog off. Let's see what I find. Let's see what I find, eh? See you wherever it is. Okay, so we've left the Nirvana. It's a shame about that, the problem. And if you're gonna have a 5-star day out and it goes wrong, carry it on. Carry it on. So we've come down to Bacco Beach. This is the Glass House restaurant, Thai and Western food, Italian, all sorts, and it's absolutely stunning. Bacco Beach, now JOMTIEN. Probably one of the best beaches around Pattaya. Many restaurants. It's just beautiful here. The restaurants aren't cheap, but they're not overly expensive either. You've got the setting, you've got the beautiful beach and sand. It's gorgeous and it's 5-star. I'm going to try and put the drone up and come along and show you along the beach. Hopefully we'll get away with it. Really hopefully. Next to the Glass House is the Italian restaurant that I showed you before. They're literally next door to each other. Both have their own parking, little car parks. The Galateria, which is next door to the Glass House. But we've done one, so now we're going to do the other one for a 5-star day out. So let's get some food. Right, so for a nice little lunch we have the spaghetti carbonara with garlic bread, ice cold, lovely, and a reasonable setting. So we'll have this. I'm gonna, like I said, we'll try and put the drone up. I'm going to try and do a little time lapse as well, so we'll get a time lapse into drone, be nice. Okay, check bin. The spaghetti carbonara with bacon, 200 baht, with garlic bread. 2 singers, singer beers, 90 baht each. So take the setting. I think they're good prices for where I am. In fact, I think they're excellent for where I am. Right, let's get the drone up.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you. Someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true. We could be
So that's it, the glass house, Backo Beach. Beautiful area, great restaurant, fantastic bar. If you want a really nice chilling day, nice food, cold beers, the glass house, Backo Beach. Swadikap. It's a great restaurant. They got seating on the beach, tables on the beach. You can also sit inside here. Car parking. And as I said, the spaghetti carbonara with bacon, 200 baht with garlic bread. Couple of beers, ice cold Singhas, 90 baht each. He's a little terror. Whoa. He's saying come to Backo Beach and give me a cuddle, eh? Anyway, if you like the day out on the boat, all went wrong, but always great to meet Mel, and they're always wonderful out on the Nirvana. The Mel's a very careful captain. Any problems, he doesn't want people out on the boat. If something happens, he had to go in, he had electrical problems. So, it's a shame, but still a great guy to meet, whether it's out on the boat or just for a beer in the bar. So, if you like my vlog, give me a thumbs up, a like, a share, and please subscribe. Subscribe for more. There's more, lots more for the new year. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.